Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you what do you do in case sometimes your iPhone camera might not be working. So usually what happens is that for some reason, maybe after some update, maybe after some kind of app crashes or something, your iPhone camera stops working. Right now it's working for me. I just have it against my lap. But what you need to do in order to fix it is, first of all, you could try a couple of things. You can try, sometimes it could be due to the flash, so try using your flash for a little time. Maybe the flash is malfunctioning and that is causing the camera to malfunction as well. So use the flash one or two times, close the app, retry. And what more some more things that I would tell you is that you should go and update your iOS. So you can go to settings, general, software update, and right now I probably have an update pending. I did not install it, but usually it is a good choice for you guys to update your iOS. So with that aside, one more thing that you can do is, you could reset your phone. So I'm gonna search for reset because I'm unsure where the setting is. It's in general, right? Okay, it is in general, and on the bottom we see this transfer reset iPhone. So what you need to do is you need to reset your phone. Okay, before resetting your phone, I would just suggest you guys to just simply restart your phone. So once you restart your phone and you find that it is still not working, you can always just reset your iPhone, and then you can just select reset all settings, and that would put your iPhone to the default settings, and most probably your camera will be fixed. So I hope this video works out for you guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.